Hello, welcome. In this video we will learn how to play London Bridge on baritone ukulele. So make sure that you are tuned D, G, B, E, and let's get started. Remember that I always have extra resources in the description box below, so make sure and check that out. Okay, our first chord is going to be C chord, and we're going to play that for a little bit. So watch me do it first and then we'll do it together. Singing note is G. Okay. So all of that was on C chord, so do it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. London Bridge is falling down. Let's do that again, I messed up. 1, 2, ready, go. London Bridge is falling down. So for the next part where we say falling down, go to G7. And on baritone ukulele, it's so easy, it's just one finger right here. So watch me do that first, and then we'll do it together. London Bridge is falling down, falling down. Okay, now do it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down. And to finish that phrase, we go back to C chord. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. By the way, if you would like to see more baritone ukulele tutorials in this channel, let me know by leaving a comment down below. Also, your likes help a lot. Okay, so line number 2 follows the same exact form as the one that we just did, which is line 1. So you can play along with me or you can watch the first time. So I'm doing the second line or second phrase. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Okay, do that with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, line 2, go. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. So now let's go from the beginning to the end. I think you can do it. We'll do it 2 times just in case you mess up the first time, just in case I mess up the first time. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, beginning, go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, wait a second. I think we can do it a little faster. London Bridge is falling down. Okay, 1, 2, a little faster. Ready, go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Okay, if you are here, that means you want to add a little bit of a strumming pattern. It's a simple one, but it totally changes the song. So let me play it first with the strumming pattern, and then I'll explain it. Okay, so what am I doing? First, I'm just hitting the first string. If it hits the second one, that's okay. So just like a half strum is what I've called it before. So a half strum or just the top string, and then a full one. So half full, half full, half full. Try that, just that. Try that with me. If nothing else, you can do that and it will still sound pretty good. London Bridge is falling down. But if you want to do the full strum I was doing, it's half full up, half full up, half full up. So go to a C chord and try that. Half full up, 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 half full up. Okay, now we're gonna add the switch. Okay, so we'll do C chord and then G7. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Switch, switch. Switch. Okay, let's put that with the whole song, okay? You can do it. 1, 2, whole song, ready, go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Sayonara!